Belief is truly a magic word because it is the beginning of all successes. It is the very foundation of civilization. It is the one quality you must develop before you can make use of the great master key to success. To be successful, you must become a person with a great capacity for belief. And the place to start believing is with yourself.
Believe in yourself. The first step is believe in yourself. So when you believe in yourself, then you see yourself equal as each and everyone. Like, you don't worry about who the next person is you're coming up against in anything. Instead of getting a job raise, getting a position, it doesn't matter. You have to see yourself equal with anything in life. Don't think the next person can succeed and you can't. You have to believe that you can, because once you start to believe that you can, then your mind develops that attitude and that mindset of knowing that, listen, it's going to be done because I can do it. So that's the foundation of belief. Because some people then think belief don't do anything, but from a smaller child growing up as a kid, they believe kill and believe cure. So know that sometimes you don't sick, you're not sick like how your mind tell you. So them just give you some dummy tablets and tell you, say, go home and take them and you will feel better. So because they tell you that, you go home and you take them and your mind tells you feel better. Because you believe that once the doctor gives you something, then you're going to feel better. So it doesn't work in every case, but it works. Doctors do say that all the time. You get me? So the first step, you have to believe. Because believe move mountain. Because you have to have the belief. Even the Paralympians and them people there, I believe them can do it. That's why they do it. That's why they reach to the level there. So the first step in life, if you don't believe, you have to believe, then believe in yourself. So believe in yourself and believe that it can work. You get me? In anything. Even when you're trying to meet any deadline, any success, anything in life, you have to believe. Just keep that positive mentality and move towards what you're doing. Put in the work towards what you're doing, and then you will see, once you believe it can be done, or it's going to be done, then it will. Just do the process of getting it done, and then you will see. Because believe kill and believe cure. So you know the first step is believe in any. Listen, if you're meeting any difficulty in life or anything that you think is worrying you, you have to just think that, listen, I am going to get through this. I'm going to get through it. And you can do it. You just have to believe first. Just put that belief in your mental. Listen, I believe so we can get this done. So we can get it done. Anything in our world, you see, any business, any success in life where you see people have, I just believe so it can be done. Because if you start off in something that you don't believe it can be done, it can even be done, but you don't get it done because you don't believe that you can get it done. So you have to believe. It's like you need to get certain things. You just tell yourself, listen, me go get it. I may believe so me go get it. Then your mind find ways, the subconscious find ways how to help you to navigate to get it. Because in life, things bigger than people. Things bigger than people. When you go sleep at night, you drop asleep 10 o'clock. You wake up 7 in the morning. What was going on when you're sleeping? So there's bigger energies and powers in life bigger than you. And even when you're asleep, your subconscious don't sleep. The subconscious is a tiling thing that works right through. It's a 24-hour, 365 days. So once you put the strength of belief in your subconscious, then you will know. So just believe, like, listen, believe it's gonna get done, and then it will be done in any situation. So you have to learn how to harness the power of belief. Believe you can do it. Believe it will be done. And just work towards it. And it happens. That's the start of life. If you want to develop anything, you want to get a business done, if you tell yourself that it's not going to work, it won't work. It's not going to work. If you tell yourself it's not going to work, it's not going to work. So that's the whole thing. And we grew up in an environment where people see next people thriving, so they think they can't strive like that. And they think they can't even do what the other person doing. But you're wrong. Everyone is equal. Every man is equal. So once somebody can achieve certain things, you can achieve. You even can achieve more. Don't even set your bar to what that person achieved. Set your bar to the next level. You get me? Because everybody equal. It's just that person put in more work and believe that he can or she can get their thing done and put in the work and doing it. So that's the start of the whole situation. So believe in yourself and things will be done. Just believe in success. Believe that you're not going to fail in anything. Even if it look like you fail, it's just a start of learning how to do things and learning how to develop. Thomas Edison failed 1001 time before he come up with the light bulb. But when they interviewed Thomas Edison saying like, listen, I'm not failing. I believe and I know so I can get it done. So you will do. Those steps that I take, the 1,000 steps that I take before I get it done, is just the learning process to learn to get it done. Because I know, I believe in it. I know it can work. So the one situation is you have to believe in yourself. That's the start. Believe in yourself and believe. Believe doing a lot of things in life. It's just the person who is not optimistic in things, not reaping benefit from belief. I do that. I just get up this morning and want to get some things done, and I'm like, I am going to do it. I know I can do it, even when I can't see the way of getting it done. But tell yourself, say, listen, if I get it done, I have to get it done. And in the night when you're laying in your bed, like, when you remember in the morning, you say, if me never believe something could get it done, it wouldn't get done. So know that, say, believe is the step in stone to develop yourself. Like, you have to have belief, and believe in yourself is the first step. So you have to know if you use the power of belief. So you start to use the power of belief. It open up doors. It make you even see things in you where you never really know you can get done, because you never believe. So believe will get a portion of things done where you wouldn't even know you could have get it done if you never believe. Just believe in success. Believe in positivity. Believe anytime when you face a difficulty in life or anything, just believe you can get over it. Believe you're going to break that boundary and get to the next level, because that's the way your life is. And that's why most people successful in their life and successful in their endeavor and what they do, because they believe. They believe they can get it done. They learn how to use the power of belief. And the power of belief is there for everyone. No matter what you see a man having PhD and him have much IQ and this, that doesn't deter you from belief. So you don't have to have that level in your head to believe that you can get something done. You can get something done. Because enough people with the brain don't really know if you use beliefs. Enough things they don't believe so they can do. They find every stupid way to tell them, why can't man this now? They don't believe. So if you start to use the power of belief and start to get to the level where belief is, you see, you get to reap success of belief. You get me? Please leave a comment, like and share if you love this type of, because you're going to get repetitive things to motivate and inspire and educate you from this channel. You get me? Mass Media channel from Mr. Scott and the Better Days TV Enterprise. So you know, say, once you subscribe, you won't regret it. So I'm out.